Tutorial for busbar processing machine. Preparation before processing. Open the side cabinet door of the fuel tank. Open the cap. Utilize the fuel pipe and funnel of the equipment belt. Full no 46小时 hydraulic oil. About 90 L. Just fill it at 2/3 of the oil window. Fuel complete. Open the distribution box door. Prepare a cable not less than 6 square meters. Connect 3 live wires and 1 zero wire. Turn on the power switch after connecting the power. Turn on the power control key. Open the emergency stop button in the control panel. The indicator light will come on. Open the bin separately. Emergency stop button on cut punch. Preparation completed. Pre-processing inspection work. Install foot switches for 3 workstations. Step on the foot switch with your foot. Observe whether the equipment is working. If none of the 3 stations work, consider phase sequence inversion by adjusting any 2 cables of 3 live wires. Step on the foot after adjustment. Observe whether the equipment is working properly. Tutorial for using the cutting workstation. Determine the length of the copper bar required. Insert the copper bar from the outside. Step on the foot switch. The equipment begins to work. Sample display. Punching station usage tutorial. Rotate the turntable to select the required mold model. The positioning caliper determines the drilling position. Step on the foot switch to start processing. Sample display. Tutorial for using the bending workstation. We assemble the RSAN mold for testing. RSAN molds process copper bars within 6 毫米. Quick angle bend. Select figure 1. Select RSAN for the mold number. Enter the thickness of the copper bar. Bending angle. Click the OK button. Put in the copper bar and start processing. The copper bar is at a 90-degree angle. It can be mass-produced. Calibration tutorial. When the precision is not accurate enough, we can adjust the calibration of the mold parameters. Click on the mold parameters. The first time you enter, you will enter the password to log in. Password 4, 3, 2, 1. Select the corresponding number of the RSAN mold. Enter the corresponding mold number in the lower left corner. Modify the walking distance of the mold. When the angle is too large, increase the value a little. The value increases by E. The angle will increase by E degree. Click to save the recipe to the screen. Click on the angle to bend. Click the OK button. Step on it and bend it again. The value can be modified multiple times until the angle is 90 degrees. When the precision is not precise and is small, modify the walking distance of the mold again. The angle is too small. Reduce the value a little. The value decreases by E. The angle will decrease by E degree. Click to save the recipe to the screen. Click on the angle to bend. Click the OK button. Step on it and bend it again. The value can be modified multiple times until the angle is 90 degrees. Replace and assemble the R-wood mold. When processing, the mold model should be switched to R-wood. When modifying the forward distance of the mold, It is also necessary to switch the number E corresponding to the RU mode.